Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, for the first, you have to get the Samsung Switch application on the both devices. So let's go for the Play Store and type Samsung Switch. And let's install, and of course the same on the second device. We can open on the Tab S7, click agree, accept all of the permissions, and we are going to receive data, and our device is the Galaxy Android. Set the wireless, tab settings, and then just go back and open the application on the second device and do the same steps. So accept all of the permissions. Here we have to tap to let's go, click wireless, tap OK, and right now they are looking for each other, so we have to be patient and just wait. Click connect. And as you can see, right now they are connecting. Click swipe up. And right now, if you want to send all of data from this Android device to your Tab S7, you have to leave it like that, selected, and then just transfer. But I will show you the example on the music. Of course, I do want to send all the data because it will take an hour and 3 minutes, so a lot of time. So the example will be on the music, and I will take these 2 songs, then click down, scroll, tap transfer. And as you can see, it's almost finished, so let's close. And right now we can just go for the files, and it will be probably in the audio. And yes, here we got in the download the 2 songs that we sent from the Android device to our Tab S7. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.